Hey everyone, Kevin here with Heilman, Woodworking.com. I want to talk to you today about flag construction methods and what that may mean for you for mounting the flag in your home once you've purchased it and you find that spot for it, and how that may limit you, or if you're just fine with different mounting methods, you may be just fine with it. But just to kind of give you the justification for the different price point between these two different styles of flags, because the construction methods really are very different between them. They both have a similar appearance, but they are different, and I want to explain that. This particular flag over here, as you notice, there is no frame around it. This one here has a darkened cedar frame around it, so it looks a little bit different. It's going to be just a little bit bigger. The surface area of the flag itself on both of these is identical. Now, the way this one is built, these are 13 boards, 1.5 inch wide by 3/4 inch thick, and they're all attached with 4 vertical pieces on the back side. And the stars are all etched with a Dremel tool. I lay them all out and I etch each one of them. The black and tan portion is all done with a torch, and it's all completed with a spray coat of polyurethane. Well-built flag. They look great. However, on the back side of the flag, as you'll notice, you may be limited. You may on mounting methods, you may have to put D-rings on the back to mount this to a wall, and you have to preferably find a stud where you can put a couple of nails or screws and try to hit that. But then you're going to be limited on where this thing hangs. If it doesn't matter to you, then this will be the perfect one for you. Also, the mounting method may cause the flag to pitch out a little bit at the top. So this particular flag with the frame stays snug to the wall, and I'll show you that here in just a moment. But please be advised that there are different mounting methods. So if you see this style of flag out there, please understand that it is a different construction method, and you may be limited on mounting methods for it and how it may look in the finished space wherever you put it. Now, this particular flag over here, completely different construction through and through. It is plywood backed on the surface of the flag. The stripes are added to that surface. They're all darkened with a torch, placed on the surface one by one. The stars are all hand placed. They're all individual stars, so they have a bit of a 3D effect. It's kind of a neat look. You can see that in the picture section of my website. But the differences don't just stop there. As I said, it has the cedar frame, but it also has these boards on the back for extra rigidity, and also for the cleat. Every one of these that I sell comes with an 18-inch wide cleat, pre-drilled on 16-inch centers to mount to the studs in your house. It's also center drilled just in case only one stud is available, but the preference is to hit 2. So if you have a short wall and one stud happens to be the best you can do, well, then you can do that, but 2 is always better. But you mount that cleat, make sure it's level, you get it to the right height that you want, use a screw gun, run in the screws, and you can place this flag on there just like that. This allows the flag to be snug against the wall, and it also allows you to center the flag. You have a little bit of movement left and right to be able to center that thing right where you want it. So exactly between 2 windows, or exactly over a fireplace, dead center. This system allows you to do that. Unless you happen to have the studs in the right location and you're okay with the look of this flag, by all means. It's a lower price point, perfectly good flag, but this one here, you can buy it for somebody if you don't know where the studs are, where they're going to be mounting it. A little bit higher price point, but the construction method and the mounting method is what I wanted to show you. So that's the real differences between both flags. So again, Heilman, Woodworking.com. Please check out videos and pictures on that site. I'm a veteran. I love to make flags. I want everybody to be safe, have fun, get in your shop, make some sawdust. If you like the video, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you later. Thank you.